Hey you guys, it's Friedia here, and today I'm actually was thinking about going to bed, but instead I wanted to do something that would make me happy, and I thought, why not? Let's set up my traveler's notebook because I got this a couple months ago and I actually haven't had the time to set it all up. I've opened it and I've looked at it and I played with it and I have things to put inside of it, but I haven't actually set it all up, so why not do it with all of you guys? So to start off with, I got the Traveler's Notebook Olive Edition. It is a limited edition, which is a little bit more expensive than compared to the brown or darker color. There's also a tan, I believe, but I kept going back to this color because it was so pretty, and I was like, I'll just pay the extra few dollars. It was packaged in plastic, but I have thrown that away, and it came in this nice little sleeve like this, and the color is just so pretty. It's just so perfect. I don't know, it's something about this color that I just couldn't stop thinking about, so I went ahead and got it. So before I put these away, there's a sleeve, and make sure you don't forget there's an extra little elastic thing in here that you can use in case the elastic in your traveler's notebook either breaks or something. But there's also this one that came on the box, and it's the same color, so if I were you, I would save that as well, which I will be doing. Alright, so my little notebook is like this, and it comes with one free notebook inside. It is just a plain white notebook, but the paper is amazing because it is the Traveler's Notebook paper, so it's great for sketching on. I think I bought one more of these knowing that it came with a notebook in it. So if you take this out, this is pretty plain and simple, but it's still so like sophisticated and cool at the same time. There's two elastics on the inside, and there is a very thin bookmark that comes in it, and then you can adjust this, or some people actually take this out and add charms to this side. But yeah, and then on the back it says Traveler's Notebook, and there's a little thing there. So yeah, so this is my cover and notebook, right? What I got, and this is what came with it. What I got to go inside is a file. It's basically like a little folder for the inside. Very plain and simple. I think you can actually make these. I have made this for my small TN planner. I think it's the pocket size, which is probably about that big. But so yeah, I have not, you guys, this is my very first Traveler's Notebook. I have seen them when I lived in Japan. I have played with them, but I have never really fully gotten into it, and seeing everybody doing it really made me want to get into it. So this is my very first Traveler's Notebook, the official Traveler's Notebook, but I do have a little TN planner that I have been playing with for a while now, so this is the whole official set. I got the connecting rubber bands. Sorry, the glare is kind of throwing it off, but yeah, I actually got this after, because I didn't know you needed these. So I got these on Amazon, and the notebook with these other notebooks I got at a store here in Los Angeles called Baum Kuchen, but you can also get these from the Traveler's Notebook site itself, I believe, or on Amazon. But I really wanted to go see it and touch it and feel it. You know, just feel all the papers and everything. So I'm kind of glad that I went to a store to get it. But there are more and more stores that are now carrying traveler's notebook, so it's probably a little bit easier to go look for than before. So here is the blank paper. It's probably the same as this. It's 64 pages. Yeah, I just really like Midori's, the company's paper. I also bought the 2018 weekly and memo. So this comes with 2 notebooks, right? Yeah, so one is a weekly and one is a memo. I actually have not opened it, and I was planning to use it the 1st of January, and it's already the mid of January, so you guys, I gotta get into this. And then I also got a little zipper case. So it's zipper on this side, and I believe on this side it's like a little place that you can put stickers or photos or whatnot inside. But yeah, so I'm going to set this up. So first off, I should probably take it all out of the plastic. Now because this is Midori, I mean, I don't want to brag, but Japanese products are always really well made. And I mean, you can already feel the quality by just a plain simple zipper pouch. But yeah, it's great. I can stick my stickers in there. Okay. If you guys were curious to see the 2018 weekly and memo, so these colors are so cute. I love blue. So this is the weekly, I believe. Yes. Oh, it started in December. January, here we go. March, April, May, June. Oh, I see. I think it's 6 months and 6 months. So what's the last? Yeah, it's the beginning of July, the very first. I love how it's it's like you're traveling, your departure card, and you put your information in here. And yeah, the simplicity of it all is what makes it so cool. So that's the first half, and I believe this is the second half. Is that what it is? Yes. So from July 1st, starts here. And so it's basically, you get the calendar, July, and the next month up above, the dates going down, and then you have a place to write going across. And on the other side, it is grid. So if you wanted to do a mini bullet journal, you totally could. At the end of this, oh, they don't have the departure card. But yeah, so I guess some people can put both if you're really into it, or you can keep this on the side and use it later. I think I'm going to put it on the side. But yeah. Oh look, they even have an item list of other things that you can get. It's so cute! Okay, I will be reading that later. Since I already have the same one, I'm also going to save this for later. I'm going to pull out this little folder here. There we go. So it's a 2-pocket craft paper folder. You can use this to cover the refills you set inside, or set it using the connecting rubber band. But yeah, it's pretty simple to make if you want to. You can get a big sheet. Make sure you make these little notches. You add the little pieces on the side, and voila. For the little pocket planner, I might have to do a little DIY video, but I made it and it was super easy, and I've seen people laminate them and make them extra decorative, and I've been wanting to do that, so I might have to do a little DIY to show you guys how to do it. I also got this special one from Baum Kuchen. in Los Angeles. They have an online shop, but they do have a store. The hours that they're open is a little limited. This is the store. But they have like such amazing things. So this is their original notebook that they did, and I loved it so much because there's all types of paper. There's some vellum, like wax paper. There's a map. There's like craft paper. It's just so unique, like putting things underneath and playing with it. So I got one of these, and I want to stick that in. And also when I went to the Ace Hotel event, they had these limited edition Ace Hotel Traveler's Notebook. I got some schmutz in there already. It's really cute, and I thought I could use it as a little sketchbook. So I'm going to stick this in it as well. So right now I have 4 notebooks and a folder and one of these. I don't know if I'm going too far, but we'll see, you guys. So here's the rubber bands, and on the back of this, which is very nifty, are ways that you can use the rubber band to set up your traveler's notebook. So some people actually like to only do like 2 notebooks, which is totally fine, but some people like to go all the way and make a really thick notebook. I'm in the middle. I kind of wanted to have just minimum amount, but I feel like it might get kind of chunky. So to start off, one notebook, you saw how that was. It was just in the middle, and you just put it through here, and you have one notebook. So some people even have it like this, and they literally use it just for like sketching or as a like a scrapbook type of thing, and you put photos and decorate it with washi tape and stuff. But another way for people that just want to do 2, like let's say you want to do that and a calendar, then you go to the middle page, which this one is stitched and this one I believe is stapled, but you take one of these guys. Take 2 out for now. Really easy and simple. So you take that in the middle, and on this side in the middle as well. And I actually heard that you should stretch these guys out a little so it doesn't mess up your paper. And you basically just put it through there, right? So when you fold it, they are attached by that elastic. And what you do is you put it through here, and you can have a 2 notebook little traveler's journal. So after you've done that, you can actually let's say you want to use the clear file and you have the other notebook, you can thread this middle part through here again, like so. So you've got 3 notebooks in there. It's already getting really full. Or you can, let's see, take this out, and it has one more elastic down here, and you can just thread it through there and have that as your 3rd notebook. Like, there's so many ways that you can set up your notebooks. Like if you want the calendar to go first and the sketchbook to go later or in the middle, there's so many ways to do it. But one way that I saw someone layering it all out was pretty cool, which I want to try. Okay, so I do know I want this guy in. So I think I'm going to place this guy in between here. And then for, let's put this aside. These 2 notebooks, these are going to be my more creative notebooks. I'm going to stretch this out. attach them together. Like so. So they're connected again. And I'm going to put these through here. Right? But I also want to add this guy, so I'm going to go in between just like I did with the other one and put that through there. Or I was actually thinking to put it through under all of it. Yeah, let's do that. Sorry, you guys. You're just kind of seeing the process as it goes. So let's keep that there. And see if I can bring it. Will it go through? Should. There. Okay, maybe I got it too chunky because it is coming out from the sides, you guys. Maybe I'll take one out. It's getting a little too heavy for me because I do want to carry this around. So maybe I will... Oh, this is so hard. But since I have one notebook here, maybe I'll take this out for now and I'll save it for the next round. And right now, I'm just going to keep this in here. And I'm going to use this one more for like scrapbooking. I'm going to try to put photos and little memories into this one. I have my calendar in this one, and I love that my sketchbook is first because I always want to doodle something, and then I'll get to the work part in here. So yeah, I kind of like this layout. And then I can also put this in here. This is January. Nope, that's not. We've gone further than that. There we go. So that's that. This is how I've set it up, and now I just gotta fill it in. But yeah, it does kind of bleed out a little, and I feel like if I start putting things into this or in here, it's gonna get a little thicker. Yeah, I can already feel the weight, but it's like a good, nice, happy weight. But yeah, that's my setup. I'm so excited. I still have things to put in there. Like, I feel like you'll never get tired of this because you're always going to be changing things, taking things out and putting things in. And I still have my calendar that'll go in. But yeah, this was my first TN setup. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos or all the things that I put in here, let me know and maybe I'll start showing you guys what's inside my planner. But until then, please leave any comments down below, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you soon. Alright, bye you guys! Have a good day! Bye! Before I go, I wanted to show you that I added a little charm to the elastic over here, but I think I'm going to move it over here. But yeah, I made these. They're really easy to make. Just find a charm that you like and two little loops, and I got a lobster claw, and it was really easy. But yeah, I do have a few more of these in my shop, but feel free to go to your local craft store and find something you like, because I'm sure you'll find something. And yeah, you can decorate your planner here, put it up there. But yeah, last final touches.